Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning session. Our today's session is very important because today I am going to share a conversational video with teachers where I learned how to express our opinions confidently in English. Whether it is meeting, interview, home, or in a daily conversation. It is very important to express our opinion confidently and respectfully. It's a great skill. So कभी कभी हम अपना विचार दूसरों के साथ शेयर करने में बहुत संकोच फील करते हैं। कभी अपने गलती करने का डर, तो कभी किसी को हर्ट करने का डर। तो ये सेशन आपको हेल्प करेगी कि कैसे आप हेजिटेशन से बाहर आके कैसे आप रेस्पेक्ट के साथ अपना ओपिनियन दूसरे के साथ कॉन्फिडेंटली शेयर करेंगे। तो चलिए देखते हैं।
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Yeah, all good. All good. So this is your first session with me. Thank you so much. Welcome to EnglishYaari platform. Warm welcome to you. And so we'll start with the topic. Okay.
Yes.
So Sulochana, what do you do? You're a homemaker and you're here for your pronunciation and generating ideas, right?
I'm a homemaker.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. And you are here to develop your fluency.
Yes. I want to improve my communication.
Communication. Right. Okay, so that's great. Okay, now the topic is opinion matters. What is opinion?
Opinions means our thought about any topics, about any matter, actually.
Correct, correct.
Hmm.
Well said. Very good. So your whatever you have some ideas about the topic, you should speak. Yeah?
Okay. I can say. Okay. Opinions means every person has their own opinion
Opinion. Correct.
about everything, every topics, and it matters. It matters because people think about their own perspective.
Correct. People think from their own perspective. The word is perspective means people think from their own angle, from their own mind. See, your opinion will be different from my opinion. Do you understand, Sulochana? Your idea will be different, my idea will be different. So, because people think from their own perspective. Perspective means own style or own mind. Okay? It's their own perspective. People think from their own perspective. Got it? Yeah. Next.
Yes. So it matters, and we should respect
We should respect
others' opinions and try to understand.
Yeah, right. Absolutely.
It may be different, but
It may be different, but
yes.
but you should always express your opinion.
But we should express our idea, what we think.
Correct. Absolutely. So we need to express our ideas, right? Okay. So suppose your opinion is different than somebody else's, then how are you going to say that?
Okay.
Like suppose, anything like in your family, somebody says no, we should go here.
Then I should say yes. I am agree with.
I agree. I agree with you.
I agree with you, but I am thinking little different way.
Okay. I'm thinking in little different way. Yeah.
Or I can say, I can understand your point.
I can understand your point.
But I want to think differently. So I want to share my opinion
I
with
want to, yeah. So I want to share my opinion with you.
you.
Yeah. Or you can say my opinion is different. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I will say one sentence. You can say, but my opinion is different. I think we should do like this. Okay. Okay. So if I say, Sulochana, I think, what? Anything you can say. Um, can you say? You should, okay, what do you like to do? What do you like? Okay, I think you should eat more of anything. You should eat more fried food. I think fried food is very tasty. You should
Yes.
also try it.
Ah.
So you will say, no, my opinion is different. Yeah. This,
Hmm.
yeah. Go ahead, say it.
Okay, so what I like to do?
Yeah, anything you can
I like to do in my free time. I prefer to learn some things.
learn something.
It may be my kitchen related to my kitchen,
Teacher,
my cooking,
cooking, very good.
new dishes,
New
new
dishes,
dishes,
very yeah.
and languages. I am always fascinated about this language, English
Like
language. So
English language, right?
I like to listen
Yeah,
to podcast. Listen native speaker sound,
right.
and try to understand sentence structure.
Mm, mm,
I
yeah,
like gardening sometimes in my free time. So
right.
I like to sit near garden
Yeah, yeah,
and nourish
yeah,
the plants, all those
yeah.
things.
Yeah, wonderful,
Hmm.
wonderful. Yeah.
Hmm.
So yeah, and if you don't like something, then you can say sorry. I don't agree. I don't agree with you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Hmm.
can say sorry. I don't agree with you. I can. I think you should not do like this. Okay. Anything you can say.
Okay. Hmm.
If you don't agree, if you agree, yes, I agree. And if you don't agree, then what are you going to say?
Okay. Uh, I'm not agree.
I don't agree with you.
I don't agree with you. Hmm.
Hmm, right. And I think you should change this, or you can do something different. Okay.
Hmm.
You can
We
change this
can think another way,
in
or we
another
can
way.
try
Very,
to different.
yeah, try to do it in a different way. Very good. Very good.
Hmm.
Right. So, all right. And okay. So, do you always give your opinion to others, like to your friends, especially? Do you tell your friends you should do like this or you should not do like that?
Okay. Sometimes when I feel
Hmm.
people understand my opinion and they value my opinion,
They value your opinion. Very
yes,
good. Very good.
then I prefer to
Then you
give
prefer.
opinion. Otherwise, I don't want if people are not interested to.
Interested, right, right. Very true. Then why to say anything? If they're
Hmm.
not interested in listening to you, then don't say.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, do you also take advice from others? Do you take advice from others? Do you take advice?
Yes. Sometimes I prefer to take advice from
Hmm.
others
Hmm.
because I know others' opinion uh, may help me to understand the better. Hmm.
Okay. Others' opinion can help me to
If I
understand.
take a thought, it's another part. But first, I prefer to listen
Okay.
people's opinion.
Okay. So first you listen to somebody's opinion, and
Ha. And
then you
later I think about it and
think.
take decision.
Yeah, and then you see whether you can follow it or not, whether you can do it or not. Otherwise, you just leave it.
Otherwise, yes, yes.
Yeah, I think you should not follow it blindly. You understand my point? Blindly, means
Blindly,
without thinking. Without thinking, don't follow anybody.
not following blindly.
Right?
Yes,
Yeah.
first we should think.
Think. Yeah.
First we
Yeah.
should think
So
about.
because everybody who gives opinion will say, "I am right. I am right. You should do like
Ha,
this only."
ha.
You
Mm-hmm.
understand? So this is the problem with people. They will say, I am right, and you follow my advice only.
Yes, yes.
Okay?
This attitude,
This attitude is always there.
this attitude is really.
And also in family, in relatives, in friends.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
So what do you do then if somebody says you should follow my advice?
First, I try to make them understand, and if people are not ready to understand either, whether it's my family and outside, then I should skip. So,
Yeah, yeah, then you have to stop. You don't have to, yeah, then don't have to keep on telling them because they will not listen. So what is the point?
Hmm.
And if
Yes.
somebody says, I'm right, you're wrong, okay, you're right. All right.
Hmm.
Okay.
There is no option.
There is no option.
Yes, yes, yes.
People are like this. So
Hmm.
okay. And once that person goes away, then you can sit and think what to do and what not to
Hmm.
do. Do what is right for you.
Yes.
Because everybody, like you may have different ideas, and what you are saying will not be good for me. What is good for me may not be good for you. Each one is
Hmm.
different.
Hmm. Not.
So there is always difference of opinion. You understand? Difference of opinion.
Hmm.
Difference of opinion. Okay?
Hmm.
There is always difference of opinion, and yeah, and also people like to give advice all the time. They are giving advice.
Hmm. Maximum. Hmm. Most
Maximum
of the. Most
free,
of.
free, free
Hmm.
advice. No money. Free
Hmm.
advice.
But don't want to take another decisions, but people want to give
Give
suggestion,
suggestion.
advice. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. If anything, even if you have bad throat, if you are sick, quickly they will tell you. In my opinion, you should do this. Right. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is it. Okay. So does your family also, whose opinion you always take in your family? Is there any person who you think is very good and you take the advice of that person
Okay. Hmm.
in your family or
Yes.
friends? Yeah.
Hmm.
Family or friends? Yeah.
Huh. My family, my sister-in-law.
Your sister-in-law. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
I feel
Okay.
uh, she can understand
She
the
can understand.
situation and she is wise. So
She's
I always,
wise.
so
Okay.
I always take decisions.
Take her advice. Okay. So whenever you have to take a decision, talk to her and take.
Talk to her, yes, yes.
Okay.
And sometimes I take decisions from my sons as well.
From
Sometimes.
my okay, you talk to your son also and you take
Hmm.
advice. Right, right. Okay. Who takes your advice? Who talks to you and takes your advice?
My son sometimes takes my suggestion, my advice, and
Hmm.
sometimes my in-law,
In-laws.
in-law,
In-laws. In-laws.
in-laws,
Okay.
family member also
Family member
respect
also.
my
They take your
opinion.
advice.
Hmm.
Okay. Do you feel bad when they don't follow your advice? Do you feel bad
Okay,
that
okay.
they did not follow my advice?
Sometimes, every times people not follow me.
Every time people will not follow your advice.
Yes, yes, because every time I am not right.
Very good. Very good. See, you are able to understand. You are not always right. Okay. That's a very big thing. Yeah.
Hmm.
Normally people have the attitude, I'm always right.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah. So what was it? That yeah. So you feel that, yeah. You don't you do you feel bad that they did not take your advice?
No, I don't feel bad.
Feel
I
bad.
don't feel bad.
Okay, okay.
Hmm. But I know it's not necessary to follow my advice.
Mm, mm.
They can understand better.
They can understand better.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Have you ever changed your opinion? Like first you feel this is not a good thing, but after some time you felt this was okay.
Hmm.
Has your opinion changed
Many
anytime?
times.
Many times.
It
Okay,
happens.
can you tell me a situation when your opinion changed?
Hmm.
Go ahead.
Many times after talking with my family, after
Mm.
um, talking with my friends, sometimes I change my idea.
Okay, okay. So you change your ideas, you change your opinion, you change your point of view. That is also another word. You
Point
change
of
your point of view,
okay.
perspective.
Okay.
outlook. Okay, these are same. The meaning is same, but words are different.
Okay.
Okay,
I
so
change my point of view.
view. I change my perspective.
Perspective.
Okay,
Okay.
or I change my outlook.
Outlook.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So the word is the same, but you use different words, and this is how you speak better English. That is
Okay.
the point.
Okay.
Okay.
Outlook, point of view, its meaning same. Okay.
Same perspective is also same. Yeah.
Okay. Huh.
Yeah. Sometimes we also say, look at it, look at it with fresh eyes. With fresh eyes means with a fresh mind you look at it.
Look at
Look
it
it.
with
Sorry. With fresh, that B should not be there. Huh? I'm so sorry. No, I can't delete it. Huh? No, I can't. No, I can't delete it. Look at it with fresh eyes.
look at it with fresh
With fresh eyes. Now see, you are doing some work and you are tired. You cannot find the answer to it. But morning you get up, you are in fresh mind,
Okay.
and you try to solve the problem, and you are able to do it. So look
Okay.
at it with fresh eyes. Sometimes you need fresh mind, you need more time, like that, morning time or
So
something like that.
it's we use in future,
In
like
future also, yeah,
in
you can
future.
use. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I could not solve the problem, but in the morning when I looked at it with fresh eyes, I could solve it. Okay,
Okay.
so look at something with fresh eyes. Some problem. Look at the problem with fresh eyes. Okay, like your son is doing some work, he's not able
Mm-hmm.
to do it. So you tell him, okay, tomorrow morning you get up early and you do this, you will be able to do, look at it with fresh eyes.
It happens sometimes after gap. Sometimes we
Some gap, some rest,
automatically we can find the
find
solution.
the solution. And also, I think early morning your mind is working better. Okay,
Hmm.
evening time or night time you're tired, the whole day you're tired, so mind doesn't work.
Ah,
Right?
okay.
Okay, so this was it. Then we also have, doctor's advice, doctor's opinion. Hmm? Yeah, when do we take doctor's opinion? Can you explain to me?
Okay, when we are sick,
Sick.
when we have health problem, health
Doctor.
issue, that
Right.
time we should take
We
a
should take
doctor
doctor's
opinion.
opinion. Right.
Hmm.
Okay. Then sometimes we go for expert opinion.
Expert.
Expert opinion, like there is some problem, we go to doctor who is an expert.
Hmm.
Like okay, he's expert. He's the surgeon. He will do the operation. So he's the
Okay.
expert. So we have to take
Expert
his
opinion.
expert opinion. Okay.
Expert opinion.
Yeah. Sometimes we also go for legal opinion. What is legal opinion? Legal means law, by law, law.
Hmm.
Yeah. So,
Hmm.
like I'm living on rent, and the landlord is troubling me.
Okay.
So I have to go to some lawyer and take his expert
Legal.
advice, legal opinion,
Legal opinion.
legal opinion. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That is legal opinion. Then, okay, sometimes especially before election, sometimes the the news or the TV channels say the public opinion
Public opinion.
means
Hmm.